Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Niloufar. Today I want to teach you how can to do the manicure for nail extension or before the refill, before the nail extension, or for without the nail extension or refill, just for natural nail. First we used the pusher, we push the cuticle on nail step by step and finger by finger. First finger we push it cuticle and we repeat everything together. After that we choose the fine metal file manicure head. This is the very small, especially for push cuticle on your nail. First we use it the middle of the nail, left to right and right to left. We repeat several times because we want to push and will be clean around the cuticle and the dry skin. We're cleaning everything. We repeat for 3 times, 2 times and 4 times. It depends about the meat, how to stick it on nail, okay? We need the brush. We use a brush to clean off the excess powders because it helped to me to see and wash to cleaning and push the cuticle again. We repeat left, right and right to left. yourself and start cutting cuticle from the right to left. It's very important. The scissor in front of you and the cutting cuticle from the right and to left. Repeat this type style cutting for all of the finger. After that, if the extra cuticle, we can use the nipper, and I will show you after the cutting scissor. This is nipper for cuticle cutting. If any excess skin remains, use nipper for remove it, because sometimes there is a small and it's very small cuticle. We have to use nipper, not scissor. And next we use the nail file to shape and tidy up the nail, because this type is a square shape. For another nail is different shape. For after that another video I will teach you how can to use the nail file and the different shape nail. Just this video about the manicure. Please the focus for the how can to remove the cuticle and the clean manicure. And again they use it the ball shape drill bit we polish the excess skin. Thank you for watching end of this video. If you like it, please don't forget like and subscribe. I love you all and see you in the next video. Bye bye.